So after you have pressed the start, and then you need to walk around here. Okay.
Walk around or twist and turn around?
Walk around, I think.
Walk around.
Look at here. But the scanner doesn't recognize he is
Human? Of course, he's not. Do Mr. Wan, Mr. Wan, do it!
Okay, here, this angle, this angle.
Yeah. Do you have like one?
Let's see. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, how to make it successful? How to make it successful?
By
You really don't know.
I don't know already.
At least try.